Mad Money Lightning Round is brought to you by TD Ameritrade, where smart investors get smarter.
It is time. It's time for the lightning round. Ralph goes one. And then the lightning round is over. Are you ready, Steve? Daddy, time for the lightning round. Let's start with Mike in Pennsylvania. Mike.
Thanks for taking my call, Jim. I appreciate it. I need your opinion on Wingstop. Buy, sell, or hold?
I think Wingstop's great, but I do prefer Pizza Hut. I think Pizza Hut has better technology, and Wingstop did not have that great a quarter this time. They've had better ones in the past. Let's go to Luis in Florida. Luis.
Hi, Jim. How are you doing?
I am doing well. How about you?
Good. Can't complain. So I have a question for you. There was a stock I was looking at last month around this time. It's JKS, JinkoSolar. And last month around this time, it was trading around $20, and today it's at $63.
Right.
Did I miss out on it, or is something that could I see a better buying opportunity than now?
Well, I mean, I don't know. This is about tariffs and Trump, and these stocks are all up because of tariffs. I would not want to touch them now. I just think they're way too hot. I don't like way too hot. Let's go to Steve in Illinois, please. Steve.
Big Chicago Bears. Booyah, Jimbo. How are you?
Much better than expected, booyah.
Yes, sir.
Well, Nick Foles, booyah. He gets it done. What's up?
I wanted to ask you about SDC. I'm up 16% since August, and I wanted to get your thoughts on it.
I think they've done a lot of right things since August. I think that they've done some things that make people feel like they shouldn't be shorted, and therefore the stock can still climb, maybe as high as 15. I think it's probably worth owning till then. Let's go to Nick in New Jersey. Nick!
Hey, what's up, Jim? How you doing, buddy?
I am doing well. How about you?
Great. I know you're a fan of these SPACs and the EV field, so my boy Gio here wants to ask you something.
All right.
Booyah, Jim, can you tell... Sorry, Booyah, Jim, can you tell me if I should buy this new battery company, KCAC?
Well, you know, it's one of... it's a smart kid there. It's another one of these EVs. It's got this quantum scare that's going to take place. Let's do work on it. This young lad deserves more information than I'm giving him. I don't want to give him the impression that you can just go to class and say an answer and not have done the homework. I need to do homework. Let's go to James in Pennsylvania. James.
Jim, how are you? Thank you for having me on today.
I am good. How about you?
I'm doing well, thank you. My question is about the company Energy Transfer. The ticker is ET. Lately, there's been a change in leadership. They have a very high distribution, and I think the company is different because 85% of their revenue is contracted out, not based on the current price of oil. I'd love to hear your thoughts on that.
Well, I don't like the company. There's too much debt. I know that change in management should be significant. But the fact is this pipeline business is just a terrible business. The master limited partnership business is a terrible business. These are all stocks that a lot of wealthy individuals got involved with, and they're losing their shirts, and no one wants to be in them. And I used Rusty Brazil stuff, and I don't feel any confidence at all about any pipeline company, even the best of them. Let's go to Bill in Florida. Bill.
Hey, Jim, thanks for taking the call. I increased my position in Cracker Barrel last week, and I was curious what you thought of Cracker Barrel.
I like Cracker Barrel. I think that they're always the first to come back. When travel comes back, they're fun, they're interesting, they're family-oriented. I like them. I think you're okay in that. Let's go to Dan in Florida. Dan.
Cramer, thanks for taking my call. I just started, I'm a new investor. I started watching your show in March. I love it. I watch it every day after work. I've learned so much. I appreciate all you do. My question is, a few months ago, you did a segment on oil with, and you had said that you like Diamondback and EOG as long-term plays. I purchased some EOG after that segment. It's been killing me since.
There's only a couple that are investable. Chevron's investable. EOG is investable. Pioneer's investable. Parsley's investable. And that's it. I'm not recommending. I'm saying that these are not my faves, but if you like them, that's how I've always put it. If you like them, then those are the ones. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the conclusion of the Lightning Round.
The Lightning Round. is sponsored by TD Ameritrade. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.